Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Wednesday, July 30th, and this is my analysis for the US dollar Canadian, and I'm on the 1 hour time frame. So today is FOMC day, news day for the US dollar pairs, and I will be live streaming on YouTube starting 30 minutes before the news release. So definitely make sure you stop in for that for my latest analysis. But the US dollar CAD just recently broke these highs right here. If this swing right here goes up and makes a new high, then that means that this right here will be my new break of structure zone. And that means that if it goes up, takes out the high, and then goes down and takes out the low, that's what's going to tell me that this whole move up is over. Which for me, I think this is likely a 1, 2, 3, 4, and wave 5. So if we get a break of structure, I definitely will turn back into a seller, especially because the weekly time frame is down. Now I need to see the break and hold below structure to believe it and to start looking for sells again because the trend is definitely still going up. There's really nothing stopping this from continuing the uptrend if it wants to. So I'm definitely still recommending longs unless today's news causes a nice break of structure. Then I will definitely go back to looking for shorts. So anyways, don't forget to check out my website, fxpipcollector.com. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.